did you know that only about 70% of first-time test takers pass the FE exam? That's right. If you're planning on taking it, you definitely want to be part of that 70%. So in this week's Pass the FE exam video, we're going to be diving into a topic that can seriously help you out: mastering the FE exam with powerful practice testing strategies. And trust me, if you're an engineering student, you don't want to miss this. Getting this right can make all of the difference in your exam success. In this week's episode of Pass the FE exam, we discuss key strategies that you can employ before, during, and also after taking the FE exam practice test to enhance your preparation and your performance. This video is brought to you by PPI, a leader in engineering exam prep for the FE and PE exams since 1975. PPI's live online course includes hours of lectures, problem-solving demonstrations, exam strategy sessions, office hours, and also a passing guarantee. When you take a live online course, PPI guarantees that you will pass, or you can take the on-demand course again for free. With study guides, practice exams, and more, the PPI Learning Hub offers digital practice and review that you can take with you anywhere that you have a device so that you can prepare during the times most convenient for you. Check out PPI today at ppi2pass.com to see all of the options available for the PE exam prep. Preparing for the FE exam can feel overwhelming, from finding the right resources to managing time effectively and overcoming exam anxiety. Many students experience a surge of stress as the exam date nears, and it's easy to get lost in a maze of resources that may not even align with your goals. Ineffective study habits can add to the frustration, leaving you feeling less confident and even more stressed. Does this sound familiar? If you've felt this way, know that you're not alone. Here's the good news though. With the right practice strategies, you can tackle these challenges head on and transform your study sessions into highly productive experiences. Let's break down a few methods that can sharpen your preparation and boost your confidence on test day. First, let's discuss timed quizzes. Practicing under time conditions is essential for building comfort with the pace and pressure of the FE exam. Set aside specific times in your study schedule to take these timed quizzes, aiming to complete sessions within the same time limits as the actual exam. This technique not only helps you to manage your time effectively, but also reveals the subjects where you might be struggling the most, and this also allows you to address them for the exam. Next, a review of previous exams is a goldmine for insight. Past exams can give you a close look at the types of questions that you're likely to encounter, along with the exam structure and also the pacing. As you review, note any recurring themes or question types and pay special attention to the language used in questions. Understanding the format can be just as valuable as knowing the material. This familiarity can provide a huge advantage, helping you to approach the real exam with greater confidence. Now, let's talk about targeting your weak areas. Now, while it's tempting to focus on your strengths, the best return for your time come from honing in on the topics that challenge you the most. Identify these areas through practice tests and devote extra study time to mastering them. This focus can lead to the biggest improvements in your overall score, ensuring that you're well prepared across the board. And then finally, let's dive into a powerful study method called spaced repetition. Spaced repetition is a memory technique that involves reviewing material at increasing intervals over time, rather than cramming it in. For instance, after covering a topic once, review it the next day, then a few days later, and then a week after that, and then so on and so forth. Research shows that this technique boosts retention and helps transfer knowledge from short-term to long-term memory, which is crucial for exams like the FE exam. Plus, it's relatively easy to implement with tools like flashcards or digital study apps. So to recap, we've covered essential strategies today, such as time quizzes, reviewing past exams, targeting weak areas, and also implementing spaced repetition. These methods will help you to master the FE exam content and approach test day with confidence and focus. Now remember, consistent and strategic preparation is going to be your absolute key for success. By following these tips, you can turn your FE exam practice test into a valuable learning tool and increase your chances of success on the real exam. I hope that you all have found this week's video very helpful, and in upcoming videos, we're going to be answering more of your FE exam questions and run through more practice problems for you all. Pass the FE exam will publish videos weekly, so please be sure to click that subscribe button as you'll get expert tips and tricks, including a bunch of practice problems and solutions weekly. And we're going to be doing this to ensure that you pass your FE exam. And I encourage you all to ask some questions in the comments that we're going to be reading at the EMI team and we're going to be responding to in future videos. So if there's a topic that you want us to cover or a question that you want to have answered, pass the FE exam will have you covered. See you all next week.